poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. We back with a quick video, baby. Today I got something special. We got something special for y'all, man. Before we bring that out, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, holla at your boy in the comment section. Yo, I interact with the people, baby. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Bam. You know what I'm saying? Now, you're probably wondering, of course, this is a fearless box. This box is hella small. You know what I'm saying? Nothing that you've ever, so obviously it's not my size. Nothing that you've ever seen, you've never seen before, traditional Nike box, but in that inverted red and black, colorway for the Fearless collection that has been dropping. You know what I'm saying? What could this be? You know what I'm saying? If you in tune with the sneaker community, the sneaker game, you know what shoe that released that came out this weekend in this box. Yeah, those Melody Ehsani things, right here, man. Shout out to the young lady that was able to help me grab these things right here. She knows who she is. Man, over the past weekend in Chicago, that was an exclusive, basically first come, first serve shock drop at Sovereign, one of the new poppin' boutiques in West Loop in Chicago. Melody Ehsani, as her people kind of put me up on game, back at Complex Con LA. Shout out to the Joe Fresh Goods vibes. You know what I'm saying? LA to Chicago. Complex Con LA, that these will be dropping at that particular store. I wanted to go ahead and bless, the sis. You know what I'm saying? Unfortunately, these joints aren't her size. This is a women's, 5.5 or a men's 4. These guys right here. Man, these things are beautiful, yo. So we gonna get into a quick little review of the shoe, and then we're gonna wrap this thing up. I said quick, and god damn it, I mean quick. All right. Bam. So as you can see, we got the two different, colors. This is kind of like a what the Jordan 1 mid. We got that nice little sail, soft leather, man, especially for, women's shoe. The sail panels going around. We got this burnt orange colorway going up, around the collar, and around the toe box like so. Red panel going around the flap. You got hits of pink going up the eyelids, and of course that navy blue in the back. Everybody's favorite detail on these guys right here. That gold, that blue face rolly. You know what I'm saying? Kind of lace lock, detail right there. On the other shoe, of course you got that, kind of, Seattle Seahawk green. You know what I'm saying? With the navy hits. A little bit of royal right there, a little bit of baby blue going around the joint. Also with that navy and that, blue face rolly going around like so, man. These shits are crack rock fire, man. I mean, like all the dope, shout out to all the Team Lil Feet out here. Y'all been getting blessed this year. These things are, these are the best out of the entire pack, man. I'ma just go ahead and say it, man, for the people in the back. I thought the blue, the gray joints were, those things were hidden. These are absolutely the best joints that is released in this Fearless pack thus far. And by far, probably the most limited sneaker to release in that joint thus far. We can't forget about the outsoles. We got, kind of sayings, a little quote from Melody Ehsani herself, going all up and through that thing, as you can kind of see, you know what I'm saying? But, that little dope kind of like sky pattern that exists in the underlay and that clear outsole. I think that was a really, really dope touch, man. As you can see, the little writing going around the midsole. If you knew what you had was rare, you would never waste it. Dope quote. That is absolutely a fact. These can't be fit, what I'm saying? But for this pair is too small for the person that I got it for. But if I can't trade and get the size, You know, probably these things are so beautiful. I might just keep these in a vault just to look at, man. You know, I don't know, man. I was trying to, I was trying to make something special happen at SneakerCon this past weekend. You know, I might have, looked out for the homegirl Feast and Treats. You know what I'm saying? I thought that would have been a dope moment, but man, we wasn't able to hook up, man, to connect. You know what I'm saying? It's sad, but I like these things so much, man. If I can't find the size, I might just keep these things in the vault, man. But, a really quick look. Of course, you got the extra laces and that purple, yellow, light blue, and pink. You know what I'm saying? Going around. These things are dope, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about these, man, in the comment section below, man. Y'all rocking with them or not, man. How hard were these to get in your city? You know what I'm saying? Like, Chicago is great for these things, and it's only getting better with All-Star 2020 around the corner. But as always, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. As we proceed, you already know how we rocking, baby. As we proceed to give you what you need. Until the next video, we out.
The Chicago